exercise chapter, that is environment, our environment and natural resources. Okay, so first question, what is our first question? MCQ. So the answer is actually first question is given, or the A question is given. So A is given. Take the correct answer. So first statement is given here. Which of the following is a non-renewable resources? Sunlight, wind and petroleum. Which one is there? Yes, give the answer. Which one? Write fast. Which one will be the answer? Yes, very good. Avif Shah has given the answer, that is petroleum. So write it down. I have already written here. One, option C, petroleum. Now question 2, or the statement 2, which type of pollution causes deafness? Air, noise or water? So it should be noise. Very good. Again I am getting answer from Navamita. Very good. Avif Shah also given and Navamita also given. So answer 2 is B option, noise. Tick the option noise. Third one is global warming can be reduced by increasing industries. B, forest area, and third is population. Which one will be the correct answer? That is the option B, forest area. So this is question number 3, B option, forest area. Tick the forest area. Yes, who has given? Brishti has given the correct answer. Very good. Lots of people are giving the correct answer, and Avif Shah is giving answer before my question. Okay, before asking the question she is writing all the answers one by one. Avif Shah, let me ask the question and then you give the answer. Okay, now next one is, which of the following help to conserve water? Rainwater harvesting, preventing water pollution, and both of these. So she already has given, it is rainwater harvesting. Very good. Write down. Avif Shah has given the answer and Navamita has given the answer. Now the fifth one, which of the following is a renewable natural resource? Sunlight, coal and petroleum. It should be sunlight. Yes, again Avif Shah, you are correct. It is sunlight, because other coal and petroleum are non-renewable resources. They cannot be replaced. So they are non-renewable resources. Okay, now we will do the B question, or the B type question. Fill in the blanks. So what are fill in the blanks? There are given, sewage is an dash pollutant. Is it air pollutant or the water pollutant? Which one? It is water pollutant. Very good. So fill in the blanks. First answer is water pollutant. Second answer, or the second fill in the blank, dash is a greenhouse gas. Methane or oxygen? It should be methane. So write methane. Next, yes, and then third one is toxic waste and dash are the main sources of water pollution. Vehicles or sewage? Which one? It should be sewage. Yes, Avif Shah is giving all the correct answer. Or no, what you have written? MH2. What is this MH2? The next one is the surrounding in which we live in called our environment or habitat. It should be habitat. Yes. And the last one is excessive use of dash causes soil pollution. Seeds or fertilizers? It is fertilizers. Very good. So you have given all the correct answer. Fill in the blanks on MCQ, and you will read the chapter thoroughly. You will get all the answers. Okay. Now very short answers. Write it down from here. What is meant by pollution? So write down very short. Addition of harmful substances in air, water and soil that cause harm to our environment is called pollution. Again I am repeating, addition of harmful substances in air, water and soil that cause harm to our environment is called pollution. Yes. Now the next question, question 2, what are pollutants. So write down again the same thing, harmful toxic substances that cause pollution is called pollutants. Okay, so I have written only this. What is pollutants? Harmful toxic substances that cause pollution, that is called the pollutants. And the third question, name 2 greenhouse gases. So what are greenhouse gases? There are so many names are there: carbon dioxide, methane, CFC, nitrogen dioxide. So we will choose only 2 names, as they have asked for only 2 names. So I have written here methane, and second one is CFC, means chlorofluorocarbons. So you can choose any other. If you want, you can write other names also. Okay, it is not mandatory that I have written 2 names, so you have to learn only these 2 names. Now next one is, name any 2 diseases caused by air pollution. You know there are so many diseases are there, but I have written here asthma and lung cancer, and another one is bronchitis is also there. So when air is polluted, it will affect our respiratory system, and it will cause any kind of respiratory problem. It will cause any kind of problem which is related to our respiratory system. So here all are related to the respiratory system, like asthma, lung cancer and bronchitis. So any 2 you will choose and write. Okay, now next question, name short answer questions. So first short answer is, what is greenhouse effect? So write down, what is greenhouse effect? Heat that enters the glass house cannot send back. This makes glass house warmer than outside environment. This is called greenhouse effect. Clear to you? Yes, right you are. Both you can write, and you can choose of your own also. Okay, so it is not mandatory that you have to write these 2 only. I think now board is more clear. Yes. So write down. Next one is, what are renewable and non-renewable natural resources? So what are renewable and non-renewable resources? There is natural resources which can be replenished or which can be replaced by our natural things, that are called renewable resources, whereas non-renewable resources take a long time to reform. It cannot easily be replaced, just like the fossil fuels. So what is renewable resources? We have written here, the resources that never get exhausted or are replaced naturally within our time period are called renewable resources. But non-renewable resources cannot be replaced within a period of time. It takes long time, that means millions and billions of years to take to form the fossil fuels, and I don't know whether again the formation of the rocks again will produce the mineral resources, so it will take a long time. Okay, so these are count as non-renewable resources. Now next question is given, one statement is given here. There is some moral making question is also. Rohan always prefer to ride his bicycle instead of using his car to go nearby places. What does he prefer to, why does he prefer to go by his bicycle? So we can write answer in a very good way, but as MCQ answers are there, so I have written it in a very short form. So write down, to conserve fuel. Write down, as we know, we have to conserve the fuel because this is non-renewable resource. So why he is riding the bicycle? Just to conserve fuel. So write down, to conserve fuel. And answer B is there. Yes, I am already given lots of placed here. Second B question, is Rohan's act environment friendly? what can you learn from him? So yes, this act is environmental friendly. So write down yes, and then in next line write down we learn to be eco-friendly. So what we are learning from the Rohan? We are learning to be eco-friendly from Rohan, isn't it? So write down we learn to be eco-friendly. Now answer question 4. Write the causes and effects of water pollution. So in a very short form I have written causes are burning garbage, volcanic eruption, burning of any kind of crackers. So these all are which are producing smoke and pollutants. They are causes of the air pollution. And what are the effects? Number of diseases, depletion of the ozone, and global warming. These all are the causes, or you can say effects of the air pollution. How does noise pollution affect us? So okay, I'm writing here so you can get the answer from this part. In a topmost part I am writing the last answer, or the answer 5. Answer 5 is given. How does noise pollution affect us? So what is the effect of the noise pollution? It affects our exposure to the loud noise over a long period can cause, or you can write prolonged exposure causes prolonged exposure cause deafness, blood pressure, prolonged exposure cause deafness, blood pressure, and depression in human. And depression in humans. Okay, so this is the last or the fifth answer. This is the last or the fifth answer. Prolonged exposure of noise so the prolonged exposure of loud noise cause deafness, blood pressure, and depression in humans. That is only the effect. Okay. Write fast so that you can write all the answers. And now I am completing here. Only the long answers are left, and we will not write all the long answers. You just cut it down. No need of writing, because long answers will not come in your exam. We have written all the short and the very short answers. We are completing our course over here, and you know all the chapters will come from the chapter 7 to chapter, this one is 13 chapter, except chapter 12. One chapter we have left, as it is not given in your term 2. So you just complete all the chapters. All the long answers also I have written in the other chapters, but no need of learning all these. You just go through it, and just you should know all the content whatever is given here. Maybe related question you will get, but the related question again you have to opt only the options. So it is all in the MCQ form, no need of learning. You just go through the content very deeply and read twice and thrice times, so that you will be able to give all the answers very easily. Do you have any question? Do you have any problem? Then you can ask me. What? Ma'am say number 3. Okay, number 3. So number 3, short answers number 3, it is given to conserve fuel. First one, the question is given like this, no? Why? Question 3, one statement is given. A question, why does he prefer to go by his bicycle? Write the answer. To conserve fuel. To conserve, because he wanted to conserve the fuel. So write down to conserve fuel. A part is, or the answer A is to conserve fuel. Understood? And the B part, yes, you have to read all the things, or no, whatever we have written. Even the side notes are given in your book, you have to read that. Maybe the MCQ question you will get from there. Okay, so read each and everything very seriously and very with all concentration. And the B part is given here. What to say, Navamita? Ma'am say, what say? Which one? Number 3 I have said no. A part is to conserve fuel, and B part, there are two part in a B is Rohan's act environment friendly. So write down yes. And the second part, we learn to be eco-friendly. What we have learned from him? So we learn to be eco-friendly. First part is yes only, then the second part we learn to be eco-friendly. Clear? Yes, Arya, I think it is clear. Number B, yes, I have said no. First part, yes. Why yes? Because Rohan Act is environmental friendly. So write down yes. And B part, the two questions are given in a B part. No, is Rohan's Act environmental friendly? Write down yes. Then give one full stop, or give a comma. The second part, what can you learn from him? So we learn to be eco-friendly from him. Actually, I have to write I don't want to write the full sentence, so I have written here. Just give one comma, a big comma here. Yes, we learn to be eco-friendly. So first part, yes, as Rohan was eco-friendly, and the second, he was environmental friendly. And what can you learn from it? The same thing we are learning, to be eco-friendly. Eco-friendly means environmental friend, or you can say we should be environmentally friendship. We have to make a friendship with environment. That means we have to conserve the environment, we have to save the environment. Okay, any other question? Okay, so goodbye and write all the answers. Thank you and have a nice day, please. And do you have any question, then you can ask me in my revision classes. Okay, thank you. Please give your attendance so that I can take I can see who are present in the class. Yes, thank you.